Okay, as a part of our COVID-19 response efforts, the San Diego Foundation Board of Governors recently approved $5 million to support short-term interest-free loans to San Diego County nonprofit organizations that have been impacted by the pandemic. Joining me now by phone to discuss these new loans is David Lin from Mission Driven Finance. David, thank you for talking with us tonight.
Hi, Ginger. Thank you for having me. Hard to follow alpacas.
Hi, the alpacas. Okay, fair enough. I'm glad you're watching. Okay, so Mission Driven Finance, you've partnered with the San Diego Foundation to get this loan program off the ground. Tell me how it works.
So this is a program spun up with the Foundation and Mission Driven Finance. We will be taking applications over the next month or so from nonprofits, really working to fill in the gaps where some of the federal programs, other grant relief programs, and those sorts of things haven't yet been able to help these nonprofits get through and emerge from this crisis. And then we'll be deploying loans somewhere in the probably in the $50,000 to $300,000 range to nonprofits all throughout San Diego County, particularly for those that are providing frontline care to affected communities.
You know, the interest-free loans, I mean, that is huge, but it's going to take so long for the economy to get going again. So what's the payback plan for these nonprofits? Because what they're doing is so essential, but I mean, we're all trying to make ends meet right now.
Sure. So in a lot of cases we see with nonprofits, they're actually operating on payment delays from fee-for-service contracts, government contracts, county contracts. So for instance, all health organizations are often billing Medi-Cal or Medicare, other sorts of support organizations. We've heard things like FEMA contracts sometimes have 12-month delays on payment. So those are the types of financing where we're hoping to be able to help some of these organizations be able to deliver and even increase their level of care while they're waiting for some of these payments to come in, whether that's from those official contracts, delays in philanthropy, other sorts of things where we can provide that bridge financing.
You know, the San Diego Foundation has done so much and nonprofits are doing so much. I mean, their work is, you know, essential to so many people. But this is a big effort on the side of mission-driven finance as well to make all the dollars and cents come together. I mean, how do you put together a package like this?
A big part of it is actually because we brought on 5 community finance fellows onto our team in March so that we specifically would have capacity for programs like this in order to be able to help the community. So we'll be able to work directly with many of our partners around the county who are directly involved with a lot of these nonprofit organizations, plus being able to work with the nonprofits themselves in order to make sure they're investment ready and can work with this gap.
All right, so where does a nonprofit need to go to get more information and get their application in?
Sure. So right now everything is being posted at the San Diego Small Business and Nonprofit Loan Program website, sandiegosbnlp.org. Hopefully you all can put that up. And that is where they can put in their expression of interest. We will keep them updated as applications and criteria get formed into May for this and other programs connected to this broader small business and nonprofit initiative. It'll all be there, and we'll keep everybody updated and hopefully help a lot of nonprofits and small businesses along the way.
All right, so we're going to have a link on our website, but if you want it, if you're writing it down right now, it's sandiegosbnlp.org and get your application in and going. David, let me know as soon as you get those alpacas and we'll visit you once again, okay?
Great, thank you.
All right, you
thank
be well.
Thank you very much.